Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav and in this video I'm going to talk about what is row level security and how to implement row level security in Power BI. Okay, so first let's start with understanding what is row level security. Row level security is a feature which will restrict the end user to access all of the data within the data model. That means user can only see the data related to them only. For example, if in your organization you have multiple departments, let's say HR department and finance department, and you have to implement a solution which will make sure someone from HR department can only see the data related to HR. So in this case, row level security is a feature which will help you out. Okay, now let's understand how to implement row level security in Power BI. For that, I have created a sample data set. So this is how my data set looks like. So I have 5 columns in my data set, and these two are calculated column which I have created for RLS purpose. So let's understand the data set first, then we'll move to calculated column. So we have program 1 to program 14, and then we have developers working on those programs. Then we have line manager, manager and CEO. And the scenario is CEO can see all of the data within the organization. Manager can see the data related to them only. That means Karan can see the data related to program 1 to program 6. Similarly, Gaurav can see the data related to program 7 to program 14. So this is the scenario. For that, I have created two columns, two calculated columns, wherein in first column I have created path. So how this column works is, so first of all, I'm concatenating 4 columns over here. That is developer, which is James for row number 1. So James is here. Then I am separating by a delimiter, pipe delimiter. Then I have line manager, that is Ashwarya, so she is here. Then again a delimiter. Then we have manager, that is Karan. So as you can see, Karan is here. Then again I'm separating it by delimiter, and we are putting CEO. So CEO is Kamal. Okay. Now in DAX, we have a path contains function which will tell us if the particular string present in the path or not. Okay, so as you can see, I have written down path contains, then we have manager view. So this is our calculated column, and I have written down Kamal here. So as you can see, it is showing us true for all the columns. So in this way we can check our RLS is working fine or not. So now if I change it to Gaurav, then let's see what it will show. Okay, so as you can see, it is showing true for program 7 to program 14. Okay, so now I can say like my RLS is working fine. Okay, now I will go back to the report view, then I'll go to modeling tab, and here you will see two options. First is manage role, and then we have view as. Okay, so in manage roles, I have created a role. So as you can see, I have created a user role wherein I put the function path contains, then I have manager view, then I'm using the user principal dex function. So when you publish this report on Power BI services, this user principal function will pull the email address of that particular user. So for that, I will tell you one more thing. So yeah, instead of putting the name of the employee, we'll be using the email address. So for example, here it can be kamal@xyz.com, something like that. Okay, so please keep that in mind. So next is, this is my implementation page. So we have created the roles, right? Now I will show you how our roles working exactly. Okay, to test it, I will click on this user, and I also have to click on this other user, and I will put Gaurav over here. So if I click OK, then as you can see, Gaurav can see the data related to program 7 and 14 only, and the count of program is 8. So yeah, in this way we can say that RLS is working fine. So this is all about the row level security, and I have showed you how to implement it, and I hope you will find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye.